Welcome back to Coding Island YouTube channel. Here you can see I made this beautiful picture using Midjourney. Midjourney is AI-based software where you can generate your own images. You can see this is collection of 4 images, and these images have all the details. I saved this image in .png format for my use. Now I will show you how you can make your own image in Midjourney AI software and use it for games, YouTube, or AI-based videos. So let's go to my browser, which in my case is Mozilla Firefox. You can use any web browser and get the same quality. I will type Midjourney in Google's search bar in few seconds. Now I will click on midjourney.com. This will basically open Midjourney AI official page. I'm now on midjourney.com official page. Here you can see different options like Get Started, Showcase, Sign Up, etc. You can sign in first using Gmail account. Then you will click on Join the Beta Program, which will bring you to Discord server. From Discord server you can click on Envision link. These are room where all the Midjourney images are generated. You need enter/imagine and then your query for your image. Like in my case you can see the whole query I wrote for this image. /imagine prompt and you are ready to generate image. Midjourney offer free trial up to 25 images, then you can buy them plan. On left side of the Discord I click on Newbie 127 room and I join Midjourney room. Here is the image which I generated recently. Also you can see different option under this image like U1, which is mean first image from top left corner, U2 means second image from top right corner, and so on. Here you can see people are generating different kind on images in Midjourney room. These are different queries, which you can modify for your desire. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thanks.